You are welcome. This is the academic channel, and we are proceeding with our lesson concerning writing the research report or thesis. Today we are going to see how to set a statement of the problem as a part of chapter 1. When you set the statement of the problem, you have to show the prevalence of the problem and explain the intention of the research. The statement of the problem should show the prevalence of the problem and also explain the intention of the research, or why the research is going to be conducted for that problem. Then you have to assure what will the research come out with after the investigation. You can consider these two extracts from different research reports and see the settings according to what we have explained. Research objectives is another part of the chapter 1. The research objectives are obtained from the title of the research. Therefore, from the title of the research, the main objective is obtained. Then the specific objectives are generated or developed from the main objective. This means that the main objective should be broken into very small objectives or minor objectives that are known as specific, because they are specifically oriented dealing with minor problems that are found to the major problem, as you can see. Then from these specific objectives is where the research questions are developed from. This means that each specific objective must generate a single question, as you can see. Here we have 4 specific objectives, therefore the same to the research questions that are 4. Therefore, after formulating the specific objectives, from these specific objectives we generate the questions that answer those objectives. Also, in the chapter 1, there is a significance and the scope of the study. Significance shows how the research will be worth to various places, including the community, either the community, human rights organization, researchers, and so forth, according to task of the respective research. Therefore, you as a researcher, you have to show the value of your research after being conducted. Also, you have to show the scope of the study. The scope of the study shows the demarcation of the research. How deeper will the research undergo its investigation? By identifying the number of respondents, the places where the research will be conducted, how will the data be collected, and so forth. Those are the things that should be considered when creating the scope of the study. Limitations of the study and the definition of key terms. The limitations of the study show how the research encountered some limitations or drawbacks during its conduction. Here you have to explain what challenges did you meet when you were conducting such kind of the research. But most of the guidelines exclude the economic challenge they prefer to speak about other challenges, but economic challenge is not accepted. Also, when you are just writing your thesis or research report, there are some terminologies that you might be using that are uncommon to some readers, or that might confuse some readers. Or you use some terminologies according to the setting of your research that might bring confusion to the readers. Therefore, you have to sort those terms or terminologies and provide their real meaning according to your research. This meaning might be different from their original meaning, and the meanings must conform to your research report or thesis. Thank you for being with me throughout this lesson. Welcome to the next lesson, and don't forget to subscribe for more notifications. Share to others, as well as leave your comment about what we have seen today. Thank you.